Good morning students. In this video, 9th class real numbers chapter, express the given terminating decimals or recurring decimals in the form of p by q. Here p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. For example, 3.28, this is the terminating decimal expressed in the p by q form. Another one is 1.62 bar. This is the non-terminating recurring decimal. This is also expressed in the p by q form. Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. First of all, what is the rational numbers? The rational numbers in the p by q form. The rational numbers in the form of p by q. Here p or q both are integers and q not equal to 0. Okay. These are rational numbers. For example, 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3, 10 by 5, 7 by 2. These are all rational numbers. Next one, 1 by 2 is the rational number 1 divided by 2. So 0.5. This is the decimal form. This is the decimal form. Minus 4 by 3 minus 1.3333 continuous. This is also decimal number. This type of rational numbers are called recurring decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. Next one, 10 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 2. 2 is integer, natural number, whole number and rational number also. 2 is right in the 2.0. This is the decimal number. 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So every rational number is a decimal number. Okay, every rational number is a decimal number. Here decimal numbers, terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay students, rational numbers are in the form of p by q. P and q are integers and q not equal to 0. This is the one method. Second method is terminating decimals or recurring decimals. These both are rational numbers. In this video, we express rational numbers are expressed into p by q form. First question, 3.28 in the form of p by q. 3.28 is the decimal number. 3.28 is the decimal number. In the decimal number, two parts, integer part and a decimal part. In the decimal part, 2 digits, integer part only 1 digit, 3.28. So decimal part 2 digits. So here how to write in the decimal fraction? First of all, decimal number expressed into decimal fraction. Decimal fraction, first of all, remove the point. Write the number in the numerator, 328. First step, remove the decimal point, write the numerator, 328. Denominator 1 following 2 zeros, because in the decimal part 2 digits, 2 and 8, 2 digits, so write the 2 zeros, 328 by 100. Okay. Next, another question, observe here, 4.7. in the decimal part only 1 digit. First step, remove the point, write the numerator, 47 by 1 following 1 0 only, because decimal part only 1 digit. Next question, 3.125. 3.125, decimal part 3 digits, so 1 following 3 zeros. Okay students, decimal part only 1 digit, 1 following 1 0, decimal part 2 digits, 2 zeros, 3 digits, 3 zeros. Next one, these are decimal fractions, decimal number converted into decimal fraction. After that, simplify, numerator and denominator cancel. So denominator only divide by 2 and 5, because 10, 100,000, these are multiplies of 2 and 5. So divide by 2 and 5. So numerator is also divided by 2 and 5 only. So here 425 is the 4 8 is 32, 4 2 ja 8. So the answer is 82 by 25. This is the P by Q form. 47 by 20. 47 is not divided by 2 and 5. So this is the answer. 3125 by 100. This is divided by 5. 5 200 ja, 5 6 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja. Next one, 25 8 ja, 25 ja. The answer is 25 by 8. Okay students, 25 by 8. This is a simple. First of all, first step, given number, write the given number. Next one, remove the decimal point, write the numerator. Denominator is 1 following 102030. Okay. Next one, numerator denominator divide by 2 or 5. After that, simplify the, write the given rational, write the rational number. Next question, 5.465. In the decimal part, 3 digits. This is the terminating decimal. So first step, remove the decimal point, write the numerator 4565 divided by 1 following 3 zeros, because in the decimal part 3 digits. Okay, 461, 3 digits. So write the 3 zeros. After that, divide the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 0 ja, 5 9 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 200 ja. So 1093 is not divided by 2 and 5. So this is the simplest form. 1093 by 200. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. So observe here. Here, this is the one of the book written by me. Fundamental Operations in Mathematics. This book is in the my blog spot. Here, observe here. My blog rajumaths.blogspot.com. This book is download from the blogspot free. In this book, so many problems, so many types of problems, division, Vedic math, speed math, and observe here every sheet blue color link. Click the link, open the video, that type of questions how to solve. Okay students, download this book from my blog and share your friends. Okay, go to the question. This is the non-terminating recurring decimal. Observe here 1.62 bar. This type of question solved in 8th class. Okay, 1.62 bar. This is the non-terminating recurring decimal. In the decimal parts, 2 digits. This is the periodicity. Period is 2. So first of all, let x is equal to 1.62 bar. 1.62. Okay, continuous. Okay, this is the equation 1. Next step, so write the period. Period means how many number of digits are repeat. So 2 digits repeat. So period is 2. So here period is 2. So multiply the first equation by 100. Multiply with 100 because period is 2. Only period is 1. Multiply with 10. Period is 3. Multiply with 1000. Okay. So here period is 2. In this problem period is 2. Multiply with 100. So LHS part 100 into x. RHS part 100 multiply with 1.62. It's a continuous, so on. Okay students, so every decimal number multiply with 100, the decimal point is moved to right side 2 places. Divide, left side move, multiply, right side move. So right side 2 places move, so the decimal point is changed to 2 places right side. So 162.62. Okay students, this is the equation 2. This is 100x. Next step, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So 100x left side, right side 162.6262 and so on. Next one, equation 1, 1x is equal to, write the ones place, put the point and 62 and so on. Okay students, so subtract, so minus minus. Here observe 162 1, write the ones place exactly. So 100x minus 1x is equal to 99x is equal to 0 0 0 0 .162 minus 1, 161. So here 99x is equal to 161. X is equal to 161 by 99. So x means 1.62 bar is equal to 161 by 99. This is the answer. Okay students, first step, write the given number x, put x, let x is equal to 1.62 bar, 1.626262 expand form, that is equation 1. Here 2 digits repeat, so period is 2, so multiply with 100. 100x is equal to 100 times of 1.626262. So multiply with 100, the decimal point is changes 2 places right side, so 162.626262. Next step, equation 2 minus equation 1. So 99x equal to 161, x equal to 161 by 99. Okay students, next question. 4.7 bar in the form of p by q. 4.7 bar. This is also non-terminating recurring decimal. So let x is equal to 4.7 bar. First step. Next one, expand form, 4.777, so on. This is the equation 1. Next, here write the period. How many number of digits repeated? Only one digit, so period is 1. Period is only 1, so multiply with 10. Equation 1 multiply with 10. So 10x equal to 10 times of 4.777, so on. Okay, so multiply with 10, the decimal point is changes only one place right side, so 47.777, so on. This is the equation 2. Next step, same, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So 10x is equal to 47.777, so on. 1x equal to 4.777, so on. Minus. So 10x minus 1x equal to 9x equal to 0.00043. X equal 9x equal to 43. X equal to 43 by 9. X equal to 43 by 9. This is the p by q form. First write the given number, let x expand form, that is equation 1. Write the period is 1, so multiply with 10. The decimal places is moved to right side one place, so 10x equal to 47.777, continuous, so on. Next step, equation 2 minus equation 1. So 9x equal to 43. X equal to 43 by 9. Next question. Express 15.732. Here observe the question. The bar is only 2 digits. 32 bar. Okay. This is the different mixed recurring decimal. This type of decimals is called mixed recurring decimals. So first of all, here two methods, first method and second method, which is easy to understand that question. First of all, first method, let x 15.732 bar. Here period is 2. So first expand 15.7323232. Only 32 is the repeat. Okay. So period is 2. So multiply with 100. Okay na? Period is 2. So equation 1 multiply with 100. So 100x is equal 100 into 15.73232, so on. So that decimal point is moved to two places. 1573.2323 change 2323, so on. Okay, this is the 100 times of x. This is the equation 2. Same equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So same 100x equal to 1573.2323, so on. 1x equal to 15.73232, so on. So write here 2. Subtraction, minus. Right side, left side 99x. Right side 0, 0, 0, 0. Here 12 minus 7, 5.7. 6 minus 1, 5, 15. So 1557.5. So therefore write here 99x is equal 1557.5. Okay, here observe the RHS decimal number. So decimal place only one digit, so multiply. Next one, x is equal to 1557.5 by 99. In the decimal numerator only integer, here decimal number, so multiply with 10. So 15,575 by 990. After that, divide the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 3 is 5 1 is 5 1 is 5 5 is. Denominator 5 1 is 5 9 is 5 8 is. Okay, this is the method. One method. In this method, only period is 2, so multiply with 100. The decimal place changes to 2 places right side. 100x is equal to 1573.2323232. Subtracts 1x equal to 15.732. Here observe the RHS decimal number, so multiply with 10 by 10. Okay, after that decimal fraction, so denominator and numerator divide by 5. The number is x is equal to 3115 by 198. This is the one method. Second method, same question. So direct step, x is equal to 15.732 7, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, so on. Equation 1. Okay. So write period. Here also write the period. Period is 2. Period is 2. Because 2 digits only repeat. 3 and 2. So repeat. 7 is non-repeat. So total number of digits in decimal part. 1 digit is non-repeat. 2 digits are repeat. Totally 3. So multiply with 1000. Equation 1 multiply with 1000. This is the another method. 1000. So direct step 1000x equal to, in the 1000 3 zeros. So decimal point is places 3 places, move to right side. Direct step 15,732.323232, so on. This is the equation 2. Okay. Here multiply with 1000 because 1 digit non-repeat. Period is 2. Total 3. So 1 following 3 zeros. 1000 multiply with 1000. Next step 1 digit non-repeat. 1 digit non-repeat. So again multiply with the equation 1. Multiply with 10 because 1 digit non-repeat. So 10x equal to, direct step 1 place move to right side. 157.323232. Here another equation 3. Another equation 3. In this problem we subtract equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3. Here directly equation 2 minus equation 3. Observe here. 1000x minus 10x. 990x. 990x. Observe here. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 3. 10x minus 1000x minus 10x equal to 990x. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Put point 5, 7, 5, 1, 5. So answer same. 990x equal to 15,575. X is equal to 15,575 by 990. Okay. So divide 3, 1, 5, 1, 5 by 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja, 5 8 ja. Okay students. This is the another method. Previous method decimal number. In this method multiply 2 times 2 equations. Equation 2 and equation 3. One time multiply with 1000. Second time multiply with 10. Okay. This is the 2 methods. Recurring decimals, non-recurring decimals. Write in the P by Q form. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share your friends.